I have a package to open. It should be a luxury item. I'm not entirely sure. We'll discuss why I don't know what it is, and then we'll discuss what it is once I open it. Stay tuned. Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury living on a budget, from high-end luxury handbags and small goods to the everyday luxuries of life. If that sounds interesting to you, please make sure you subscribe, click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos, and be sure to like the videos that you enjoy. And one of the perks of subscribing to my channel is you get to see my community posts on your homepage, and that's where I post deals and sales and discount codes and things like that related to these things that we love. One of the things I posted in a community post was that The RealReal was having a sale waiting for Vincent to stop whistling. The RealReal was having a sale recently. If you're not familiar with The RealReal, they often have this 20% discount code. It's usually real, but the sales that they have usually are not discounts. They are spend a certain amount of money and earn site credit for a future date. So I took advantage of that and I purchased quite a few things, and I earned myself a $200 site credit, which will become active in early May. So I'm looking forward to that, and I did post about it in the community post, so I hope that some of you were able to take advantage of that too. So the packages that I ordered are starting to roll in, and this is the first to arrive. So let me open this. It's one of two things, but I don't know which of those two things it is, and I don't think I need my scissors because it has a little perforation thing. But those don't always work, but this one does. Isn't it frustrating when they have the perforations and it does not work? It's very frustrating to me. I know what this is, and this is what I was hoping it was. Let's see what else is in here. Vincent is going nuts, as you can tell. You guys have no idea, when she's behaving this way, how many times I repeat myself in the videos and how frustrating it is to edit the videos when that happens. But I know it's frustrating for you guys to hear some high-pitched whistles when I'm talking and you're trying to listen to me, especially with headphones. But I do it all for you guys. I do it all for you. I hope I'm appreciated. Receipt is in here. Okay, this is an item from my wish list. Yay! And it's one that I told you I had a chance to buy it in the store many times and never did. And then I think I just assumed that it would always be there and that I could get it anytime I wanted, and then of course it wasn't there anymore. And I saw it on the preload market a few times. I thought, oh, it'll come up often enough, I can buy it, and then it stopped showing up. It's been a while since I've seen it, and it finally popped up again. It was a little more than retail, but it's an item that I do really want, and I have seen it in person, so I know I really want it and will keep it. Let me show you. Came in The RealReal dust bag, and it has a tag attached. Smelling it doesn't have a smell, thank goodness. And it is a Louis Vuitton item. I know I didn't say that correctly. Oh, it's brand new. Excellent. Didn't come with a box, but it still has the original tags attached. How wonderful. I didn't know that about it. Fantastic. Well, that makes me happy. So I know I haven't shown it to you yet, but it's a bandeau. It's a Louis Vuitton bandeau. Now, you may remember that I recently unboxed a Louis Vuitton bandeau that had jewels on it, and jewels on one side, chains on the other side. The Vendôme, however you pronounce it. And you could tell in that unboxing that I was not as happy with it as I thought I would be. It didn't live up to my expectations, so I did return it. And that one was brand new. It came with the box and everything. This one doesn't have the box, but it's still brand new, and that's good for me. But I did have to pay over retail for it. Okay, let's see. How do I want to reveal this to you? Let me do it like this. And then I'll show this to you against the 3 canvases and against the one particular bag that I had in mind to wear this on. Here we go. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful thing. Palm leaves, butterflies, lots of animals, turtles, a lion, and a boat with a Noe. No, that's not a Noe. That's, I forget the name of that bag. A sea turtle. It's the Voyage Extraordinaire Bandeau from Louis Vuitton. And then here is the back with an upside down kitty cat and an elephant. You guys know I love elephants. Well, I was actually going to say you guys know I love animals, but elephants came out of my mouth instead. There's a Louis Vuitton trunk and a right side up kitty and Louis Vuitton Maletier. Just like I've recommended to you when we've talked about bandeaus, the best bandeaus are the ones that have a different design on the other side, because it's like getting two bandeaus in one for the same price. So let me show you that side. And this bandeau did come in a couple of different colorways. This side has trunks and Louis Vuitton bags on it, and more kitty cats and butterflies and palm leaves. I just love that. And there's the tag that's on it. So it's got the Louis Vuitton cloth tag, but also it has the little barcode tag still attached. This is the beige colorway. Those two sides of that side of the bandeau, does that make sense? Like the left and right side of this side are the same, but the left and right side of this side are not the same. You see what I mean, right? I love this. It's perfect. The colors go well with my wardrobe. I love the detail in it. This to me is comparable to an Hermes Twilly as far as the quality and the artistry on it. So let me get the bags so I can show these to you against the different canvases. All right, this is one thing I wish more people would do when they show bandeaus and talk about them, is show them to you against the different canvases or different bags, because we generally don't wear these on our bodies. You certainly can. There are many ways to do it. But most of us, I think, wear bandeaus, twillies on bags. So let's see how this looks. Here's my monogram Delightful. And let me separate that so you can see both sides of it there. So there's the trunk side, how that looks against the monogram. The more tropical side against the monogram. I think those both look fantastic. I think that this is going to work with any of the three canvases. I think it's a really versatile bandeau. Damier Ebene Speedy 30. I'll turn it around to the back. The strap that I have on it out of the way. Okay, there are both of those prints on the Damier Ebene. Again, I think that looks beautiful. It doesn't matter which side it is, they both go really well with that print. And you know what? I know I'm keeping this, so I'm going to cut this tag off because it is in my way. Should have done that sooner. The Damier Azur Speedy 25. Again, it is spectacularly gorgeous. This might be the most versatile bandeau in my collection. It goes with everything. Worth the money. Oh, by the way, I don't know what these retail for. When this was on the market, it was a little under 200, like 195 or 180, something like that. Someone told me recently that they've gone up now, that they're over 200, like maybe 215. I haven't looked at bandeaus in a while, so I'm not really sure, but I paid $245 for it. Significant markup, but to me worth it because it's something that I really wanted. So it goes with all three of the canvas prints. Let me show you the bag that I had in mind when I purchased this. And that is my Louis Vuitton Locket PM in the bronzy gold. This is technically bronze because there is another one that's gold. It's like a bright gold. So the bronze leather. Beautiful bag. I usually keep this bag charm on it, but let me take that off because it doesn't really go with the bandeau. And I can imagine wrapping this around the handles and having the ends hang off. When I buy a bandeau, the main thing that I look at on the design of it is the end pieces, because I do tend to wear them tied around handles where it's just the ends that are showing. And sometimes, I don't know why the designers don't think of this. This isn't staying on very well, so I'm just going to show you one side at a time instead of the two like I was doing. But I don't know why the designers don't think of this, but a lot of bandeaus have really plain end pieces and all the good stuff is happening in the middle, so if you wrap it around a handle you miss all the good stuff. But here's the animal side. It looks extraordinary with the bronze, and there's the trunk side, also extraordinary. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, this just goes with everything. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. So the ends on this, these both have words, or you can turn them around and have stripes and trunks and palm leaves, or you can have one of each like that. So you have four different combinations that you can do with this. This is a bandeau that was worth my money. I do wish I'd purchased it in the store. My hesitancy cost me an extra $50. That's all it was. Well, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. I certainly did. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you back here next time. Hope you and your loved ones are doing well, and I hope that you are having a fantastic day. Bye.